Hey everybody, just Ron here. I know you probably checked out my other videos. If not, please go check them out. I bought the Osmo Action camera a couple of weeks ago. Well, actually a couple of days ago. And I want to do some upgrades to it because I want to make this my main video camera. I want to make it my main camera to shoot. So there's a unit there. There's a video on this one, me unboxing it. If you please go check that out and let me know what you think about it. So in my overall plan to really accessorize this, and it's going to take a couple of different orders from Amazon, I went out, of course, to Amazon again and picked up the PGYTECH, the camera case for the Osmo Action camera. Now, it comes with a case already, and the case is pretty cool, and it does its job, right? And it has the spacing here, and it has room for your accessories here. But the main reason, and I'll open this up first, I wanted to do some adjustments to my camera, and I'll need some more of the ports open, and I'll need a place to attach my sound to it as well. And this is one of the better, if you look at the picture there, this is one of the better ones on the market. They will allow you to attach a light. Also too, you can use other accessories here from this company, PGYTECH as well, with the stick that can charge it up. You can switch between shooting modes, whether you want to shoot up or down. Easy to install, of course. Everything says that, right? So let's open it up and see what we got in this box. See, this box is severely glued down, and it has an alarm on it, which is good. So I guess whatever store you either sold in, if you're a thief, good luck trying to steal one, because it ain't gonna happen. All right, so unboxing, you have the unit there itself. It also comes with a manual, which gives you specifics, and it gives you a functional diagram, also the mounting service, and it's a 1/4 thread on the mounting, so that's always good. It also comes with cool stickers. You can never have enough cool stickers to place on things that you like to place stickers on. I don't know what that is for me, but I will keep these stickers. I think it's 2 of them in there. And then you have the box and nothing else, so we don't really need a box anymore because this product is already great. We know it. Let's see it. So let's take a look at the product again. We're going to take it out of the casing here, and we're going to really examine some of the pros and cons of why we went with this product. And they're mostly going to be pros. Let's give you a heads up now. So the case is pretty durable, really good material. It has your thread here on the side as well. It's got the accessory clip on the top here, and also to the housing unit here where you can use to attach a stand or something else. So what my vision is going to be, let me go ahead and just pull this in for you real quick. And you can use it on both sides. So you can use it here on the side if you want to mount something to the side. And we'll go over this a little bit. But the back piece here is where we're going to start off at. There is a piece here. You slide it out. It slides right out. So looking in the case here, your camera's going to slide right in. Take it here. Apply a little pressure on both ends. And it should pop right through. So now your camera's in the case, which is great. And my lenses are really dirty. I just touched them with my hands. Need to get screen protectors on there. If you got screen protectors on yours, let me know how you like them and what model you went with. So then on the back, flip it around. Your backing goes right through here on these guided threads. Snaps right in. Once you hear that snap, it's insecure. Now, if you compare the 2 casings together here, the other one came with the camera is nice. On the side, big difference. You can actually get to this compartment here, right? And actually use the compartment. So you can get to this compartment and open it up and change your memory cards, charge it, or also use different accessories here. Whereas before, it was locked in to the unit here. So flipping it around, both have equal protection on the back. Both have the hookups here for your stands and your mounts. Turn it this way, look. Both have the hole here, so you can get your sound coming in. This also has another clip here which you can attach a light or your microphone or whatever you want to put on there. On the top, likewise, same thing. There is another clip on top. This one does not have one, where you can put in your mic, your light, or whatever the other thing you want to use. Or if you want to record at a different angle, you can do that as well. So I will put a link below to the item I picked up off Amazon. The PGYTECH camera cage for the Osmo Action. Like I said, I put it on a day. I'm going to have some other videos too. I've ordered, I'll give you a teaser here. I've ordered a adapter to allow me to put a boom mic on, and I ordered a boom mic, and I also ordered a tripod holder or stand. And I'm gonna make this into a real live action cam, also slash recording thing for my videos coming out. So I really want everybody to, I thank you guys for watching this, and more videos are coming on the way. Hope you enjoyed the review. I'll be posting more on the Osmo DJI camera. Just run out. Make sure you hit like if this video was helpful. Any questions you have for me, I can definitely answer. And if you like what the stuff I'm putting out, please hit subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody.